In this video, I will show you guys step by step how to promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic without investing any money in paid ads. I will share with you new methods, new strategies that helped me to earn $2,200 in commission just in 15 days, just in this month. From the first day of this month of July until the day 15 of this month. Okay, I made $2,200 in commissions. Okay, so anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing, watch this video until the end and let's get started. So all you have to do first is you need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. Okay, so what you will do, you will go to Google. It's really easy and simple. Just go to Google, search for Amazon affiliate, click on this, scroll down, go to Amazon Associate and click on this link over here, sign up like this. Let me show you. Just click on this link and you will be directly in this page like this. All you have to do is you just need to click on sign up and you will be directly in this Amazon page, as you can see, like this. What you will do next, you will scroll down, click over here on create your Amazon account like this, and here you go. All you have to do is you need to put your first and last name, your email address, your password, and your password again, and click on create your Amazon account, and that's it. Sign up process is super easy. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate Affiliate Marketing. Okay, so this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. Okay, so what you will do next is you need to choose a good and trending product that you will start promoting on Pinterest to earn commission. So what you will do, you will go to your Pinterest account. So you should have a Pinterest account. If you don't have, go to Google. Let me show you. Just go to Google, search for Pinterest, scroll down, click over here on this link, sign up by using your email address, open business account, not personal account. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Okay, it's super easy. Why we choose Pinterest? Because you guys don't know the potential of Pinterest. Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. You guys can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. If you are promoting the right product, trending product, you can make a lot of money using Pinterest. Okay, anyway, so after you create your Pinterest business account, go back to Google, okay, and search for Pinterest trend. Okay, I don't know if you guys know about that, but we using this website to see what's trending. Search for Pinterest trend, click on the first link and you will be directly in this page. So you will be directly in this Pinterest trend page. Click over here on United States and you can target any audience you want. If you want to see what's trending in United States on Pinterest, choose United States. If you want Canada, you have Italy, Spain, Germany, France, and so on. I'm gonna choose United States audience. I want to see what's trending in United States. I will scroll down and this Pinterest trend will give me what's trending this month in United States. Okay, so those are the products that are trending, products and topics that people are searching for from United States on Pinterest. Okay, so I will click here to see if I can find some good topics. We have hairstyle, wallpaper background, and we have nails. This product for women is trending. I will go back. I'm gonna see this one, tattoo ideas. Let's click on this one. Scroll down. Do you see the graph of this topic? It's keep going up. It's going up. Okay, it's good. So I will click here first. I will click here and I will choose past 3 months. And yes, it's really going good. Okay, this topic about tattoo ideas is going good here. The graph is going good. Okay, it's going up and a little down, but it's keep going up again, and that's good. So you can also scroll down and you have here related trends. You can get more keywords here. For example, let's check this one. Monsan tattoo. I'm gonna check this one. Let me see. It's not going good, so I'm gonna delete this one. Okay, so I will just keep using this one, tattoo ideas. So what I will do, I see that this one is trendy. I will go to Amazon, go to your Amazon account, just open your Amazon account like this, okay? And click over here. So let me show you. I want to show you guys step by step. Go to Google and search for Amazon, okay? Like this. Click on the first link. Let me show you. You can click on the first link, or you can scroll down and click on go to Amazon. Let me see. Yes, just click over here on the first link, Amazon, okay? And you will be directly in this page, okay? What you will do, you will click on the search and you will search for tattoos, okay? We want tattoos. Search just for tattoo like this. So we will promote products related to those topics that are trending, that people are searching for on Pinterest from United States, okay? Search for tattoos products. Scroll down and choose good sellers, okay? Choose good sellers. So let me see if we can find some good one here. And all those tattoos are really good price, just $9. It's really good. So let me see. I think I'm gonna choose. Let me see. I will choose this one. This one looks good. This one has a lot of reviews. This tattoo product is for $9. Okay, that's good. I will choose this one. So I will click on this product. Just click on the product that you want to use. Okay, that you choose. Just make sure the sellers that you choose are good sellers, because people will check the feedback of those sellers. And here you go. You will be directly in this product page of this seller, okay, as you can see. So what you will do next is you will go back to Pinterest, go back to your Pinterest account like this, click over here on home feed, click on create pin like this, and you will be directly in this page over here to Pinterest like this. Let me show you. You will be directly in this page on Pinterest like this. What you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest, okay? Go back to Amazon, sorry, go back to your Amazon account, okay? And we're gonna choose a picture that we will use to promote this product on Pinterest. So let me see. This one, this one. I'm gonna use this one. Click on this picture, double click, and click on save image. Save this picture to your laptop. I'm gonna name it like tattoo, like this. Save. Go back to Pinterest, click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. This is the picture about tattoos. Click on open tattoos product, and here you go. Your picture will be uploaded like this. Go back to your Amazon account and copy this title. I'm gonna copy this title, this part, to show you guys how you can do it. Go to Pinterest again and put your title here, your description. Go back to this Amazon products page. Okay, let me see. Scroll down. Okay, you should see here about this item. This is your description. Okay, so I will copy just this part. This description is too much long. I'm gonna just copy this part. For you guys, you need to customize this description. You can use ChatGPT to make it short description and good description, okay? So the description should has the keywords that people are using to search for this product on Pinterest, okay? Scroll down, you need to put here your affiliate link. Go back to this product page on Amazon that we choose. So we choose to promote this product. So what you will do next, After you finish creating your Amazon affiliate account, so you already have an Amazon affiliate account. So if you come to Amazon, you will see this bar here, this one, Amazon Associate Site Stripe. Okay, you should see this one. Just click over here on text, and this is your Amazon affiliate link for this product. Copy this affiliate link, go to Pinterest, and put this affiliate link here. It's super easy. Scroll down, click on choose a board. If you have a new account, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and you can create as many as you want. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. Here you need to put the keyword that people are using to search for this topic on Pinterest. So what you will do, you will go back to Pinterest trend and copy those keywords. I'm gonna copy this one, title idea, okay, ideas. Scroll down, go over here to related trends. Copy those keywords, all those keywords, you should copy those keywords, okay? And go back to your Pinterest account and put those keywords here. Like this, okay? And after you finish, click on publish. And here you go. You just published your first Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest. That's how you can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic in the right way. And how we can, I show you guys how we can find the trending products, how we can choose good products, how we can create your affiliate account, how we can copy your affiliate link, and a lot of methods in this video. So I hope this video is helpful for you guys. If you want to see more videos about Amazon and how you can promote Amazon affiliate links using free traffic, comment in this video affiliate marketing, and I will start sharing with you guys a lot of new methods that you can use to earn commission with Amazon affiliate links, okay? Just by promoting Amazon affiliate products using free traffic to earn commission. So that's it. Your Amazon affiliate link will be published on Pinterest like this, and people from United States are searching for this product, and your chance to get commission will be high because you are promoting product that people are searching for. And that's it. So those people, if they are interested, they will see your product here. If they click over here on your affiliate link, for example like this, they will be directly in this Amazon product page like this. They will click on continue over here. They will click on buy now, and if they buy this product, you will earn commission in your Amazon affiliate account. You should see your commissions here, okay? And that's it. That's how we can promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest, guys, using free traffic. Thank you so much for watching. See you in my next videos. If you have any question, like I said, just put your question in the comments. Also, guys, don't just target United States. You have Canada, you have Italy, you have Spain. See what's trending in those countries and start promoting products that are trending in those countries, okay? And that's it. See you in my next videos.